Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you are looking for the perfect outfit this summer that's going to be elegant and lightweight and comfortable, ROYLAMP has the most amazing two-piece. I have this adorable outfit here in the color light cyan and a size medium. Medium runs true to size for me. I'm usually a medium or a small, and I think that this fits really well. I love so many details about this two-piece outfit. I love that the back of the waist is elastic, so it's super, super comfy, and the material is so lightweight, but it's not too see-through. I love that crop top. It's got like kind of a swinging little style. It's super, super flattering. This outfit is just the perfect balance between staying comfortable and cool, but also looking adorable and elegant. I really appreciate that. And the cropped wide leg pants are super cute and comfy too. I just love this because it's really ideal for traveling. I brought this with me on a trip to a warm climate, and it was the perfect option because it helped me to stay cool. The fabric is super breathable. This light cyan color is really, really pretty and nice and neutral, so able to pair well with accessories, with a hat, with comfy shoes. But also you're able to take this from daytime, from traveling and walking around, to nighttime, and you're gonna be able to look so pretty and elegant while staying cool and comfortable. It's just the cutest little outfit. I love this outfit so much. I think it's a perfect option to throw on in the summer, whether you want to be comfy and cute during the day or you want to be nice and cool and breezy at night. I love it, and I want one in every color, but that's just my point of view.